Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Okay, today we got a super easy club sandwich. And for this, I'm making a sandwich spread. And so it starts off very simple with basically about 16 ounces or so of Miracle Whip, followed by 8 ounces of dill pickle relish that I opened up and drained in a colander. And then a quarter cup of Thousand Island, and that's it. Give this a little whisk. Put into a deli container, and it should last a couple of weeks in the fridge. All right, let's make our sandwich. Okay, and then we have our toasted bread, and we're going to spoon a generous amount of our sandwich spread on each side of the bread. And then we want to add some Virginia ham to one side, followed by some smoked turkey, followed by some bacon, and then some Colby Jack cheese, and some shredders. Then put the two halves together, and that's it. That's my ham and turkey club with a special spread sauce. Done.